Oh, get this copyright music out of here. All right, good morning, guys. Welcome back to the dove killing crew here. Cameron's done pants. We're all late, and our spots are done for. We're cooked. So let me try to. Can you see me? Oh my God. All right. Well, we're gonna fuel up, gas up, head to the dove field, and then dove hunt in the morning, deer hunting in the evening. Recording?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I just dumped him in that cooler and he
Nope.
pick him up.
Nope. He can keep him in there. He'll be all right.
I know.
Put him in your dove chair.
That's the problem.
Oh, well then.
That's the problem.
What's the problem?
It's full.
I mean, hey, you know, we're gonna have to make multiple trips. I'm gonna leave my gun out here. We're gonna have to make multiple trips. You think we're gonna get all these decoys in one trip?
I honestly wouldn't take that.
You don't think so?
Shot at smoke. We was talking about putting out just the flickers.
Oh yeah, no spinners?
No spinners.
Really?
Every.
Okay.
I was gonna make a dove tree. I didn't get to.
I've got 4 or 5 in my bag.
Here's one. Here's one. Here's another one. No spinners. Is that what we're thinking? Do you have any extra clips?
I don't.
If you hold this light, so I can hunt in this bag.
What's that video look like? Does it like showing everything pretty good?
Keep your head normal. Oh yeah, shine light down in there. There you go. That's better. And then keep your head normal. That's one of your decoys.
Why would you assume that's mine?
Because it's broke on the hill.
Would you please stop cussing?
Oh. It is physically damaged. Yeah, that's alright. Yours had different color eyes. Why is he just staring at me? I don't know.
If you put your empty holes in here, you can.
Spread them both.
You want to carry that?
What's this? Is it clamped?
Just a little thing for our doves.
So, okay, here's one hard body.
Do
you want one that just clips in here, or do you want all?
It don't matter to me.
Down for 20 minutes. Nice.
We stood there and talked to that guy for like an hour then.
Really?
Look at this, Chris.
Was that the one that you just got?
That I just ordered,
Yeah. Well, did you get it last week?
Yeah, the day after.
Yeah. What is it? A Weatherby what?
Element.
Element.
Yeah.
I've seen them online.
This is the
is
second
nice.
gen. It's
Is it
the
a 3
same.
inch?
Yeah, 2 3/4.
Yeah.
And it came with a bunch of different chokes. It's got the modified on there now.
Do you?
I'm shooting 6 shot today.
Are you?
Really want to knock them down,
Right.
yeah.
I've got, I believe, one box is 1,420.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
And I reloaded some 1310s. I got 2 boxes of those.
Here's a clip, Cameron.
You
Here.
got a flashlight?
Yeah, I do. Here, take his clip.
You threw it in that bag.
Yeah, I really like it. It's fun. I like the color of it.
I do too.
And it wasn't that much. Yeah. It's the same system as that Benelli.
Weatherby guns is good. That Orion, that over and under.
Justin said.
They point really well.
Yeah, they do.
I like it.
The mic isn't.
It's connected. The light's on.
That
That light will turn on. Yeah, tap it. Yeah, it is.
Okay. I can't see 4 feet in front of me. I can't see a dang thing. Well, good morning, guys. It's deer opener, and we're dove hunting. There goes Chris. He's gonna go over to that other field, and me and Cameron and Tristan are set up right here on this point of this corn. Where? What?
Dude, oh my brother, I'm playing the lottery and I'm not winning.
Oh yeah, I got some toilet paper in the truck.
It ain't worth the walk.
Where at? Coming back behind you on the right.
Oh.
Oh, never mind, it turned.
What zip code's it in?
Hey, it was flying straight for you.
That's big. Oh, got it.
How far away is he, son?
250. If I hold 10. Huh? Where'd it go? Oh, it's coming.
Oh, it landed in that big oak
lit
above you.
Down at the parking lot.
No, it was a crow.
Crow.
Hell, he don't care.
It's black.
Oh yeah, and Tristan, damn, he brought a gun out here. It wasn't plugged, so we had to go back and run and get this, and he got something, made sure couldn't get in trouble with it.
I didn't know. This is my first dove hunt.
Yeah, this is Tristan's first dove hunt ever.
So to be fair, I did not know.
Yeah, we should have told him that, but me and Cameron didn't.
Me and Cameron did.
Yeah.
I ain't talked to him all week.
This
Listen,
would have been some good
we'll make
things,
it work.
good things to say this morning before
Yeah.
we left the
I
house.
figured Trevor would.
I did not. I thought he would figured. Oh, that's a Tweety bird. Well, I got that on camera blasting it. Where are the doves at?
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
What?
About the fog.
Oh yeah, well it was. My shells are wet. How thick this fog is in my pouch. It's too foggy. These birds ain't
I
gonna fly.
actually peed in your bag while you were gone.
Okay, I am recording.
Oh. That's what it's for.
Yeah, it's just too foggy, boys. I mean, look around. Look at that. I don't know. It's been 30 minutes we've been sitting here and haven't seen anything. We'll give it another 30, I guess. Okay.
You ready, Chris?
Well, we just had the biggest dove I've ever seen in my entire life. It was as big as a pterodactyl fly right beside Tristan.
I'm sorry.
And he didn't know it was a dove until it was too late. But that was my fault. I was on my phone too. I think fog's about to burn off and start flying. Cameron's mad.
The dove has to be levitating from the earth. I can feel the air rising. It took my hat a minute ago.
That's just the heat.
It's finally starting to clear off, guys. Finally. It's coming, Tristan. They're coming.
Yep.
We now see blue skies.
If I don't yell dove again, I'm gonna shoot.
Yeah. I am now recording, everybody.
Okay. Wait till I miss one.
Oh, I know I'm gonna miss one.
Cameron, look kind of. I'm gonna get a picture for a thumbnail. Look kind of mysterious. Not at me, just just around. Hold it, hold it. Oh yeah, right there, right there. Okay. What do you think about it, Slim Jim?
I don't even see anything flying. You see one? Where? I didn't see it.
Alright, that's 8,000 yards. It's flying slow as possible. Hail. It's circling to Chris.
It's worth a shot.
It's still circling. Alright. Look, Chris thinks he can hit it. Oh, that's way out there. Uh-huh.
Oh, it landed in that tree. Come on, baby, come back.
You don't kill them if you don't swing lead.
Oh, yeah.
Fly away to the time.
Yeah.
Just watch for them because they may circle.
Oh, I see them. Nope. Negative, go straight.
They come through that opening by the big oak tree right down through there.
Did that kind of like...
Bob? No.
No.
Do it in the truck.
Alright, hey guys. There's no birds here, so we're leaving. We've been here for a couple hours. It's been not foggy for a couple hours now, so we haven't seen anything, so we're leaving. It's the opening day of deer season. We're fiending to get in the saddle, so that's what we're gonna do. Screw this. We're gonna go to Jersey Mike's and hop in the saddle. All right. First evening sit here. First evening sit. We're going into the woods. This is gonna be our 2025 start of the season. We got everybody with us. Hitting Brads. See you there. we'll see what happens. Hopefully the second angle gets turned on and I can capture the footage if I do shoot one. But stay tuned. What I know is it's been about 30-40 minutes since I last talked to you guys. They're still sawmilling down the road, but Cameron has set up about 200 yards maybe on the other ridge way down there, and he just shot a doe as he was climbing up, I think, or no, he had to readjust his saddle, his sticks, I mean, and he shot it off of his third stick. He believes he got it, so look forward to that in the video. We'll get some footage of that, skinning it and everything. So that's gonna be awesome. I'm set up here. I mean, these oaks there's 3-4 oaks right here, about 20-30 yards off my left, that are just absolutely dropping acorns. I don't think that sawmill is gonna hurt us because I mean, deer are moving 100 yards, 150 yards that way, so I don't think it's any big deal. Hell, they're far off this ridge down here. It's just kind of echoing through the holler. But Cameron got a deer down. That's opening day deer down. Awesome. Let's go. A doe and a fawn are about 40 yards just straight behind me off this ridge. I can't really get a shot at them. They kind of seemed a little spooked almost. They're kind of traveling pretty hard. She didn't blow. She hasn't done any reason, like give me any reason to think that she's spooked though, other than just moving a little bit faster. I don't think she's gonna give me a shot. My wind is not the best either. My wind is kind of puddling off and going toward her. So I think if she's just smelling me, maybe she's getting her and her fawn out of here. Yes, we saw some deer. The lumber liquidators over there stopped cutting 2x4s, I guess. So at least we saw some deer on the first sit. You know, that's always good. We still got about another hour and a half of daylight left. If I was set up about another 20, 30 yards to my left, with a little bit more like clear shot, we might have got a shot at her, but I doubt it. She might be wrapping around us, getting downwind of this field in here, and just trying to smell what's in here. She moved through so fast I didn't even have time to turn on the big camera. I mean, she just came in. I might put my face mask on now. Looking at it, the sun is beaming in my face here. I'm probably glowing to these deer, I bet. I don't know. If anything's in here, they're probably gonna see my face. I like this on the rope. This is a pretty cool little thing I got going here. this looks a little bit better. I'm not popping out as much, I guess. They're starting to move though, so let's see if we can get one within bow range here. The tree that I'm set up on is just dog awful. It has some dog legs in it. Awful to climb, awful to set up in, so it keeps wanting to throw me out of the saddle, so I've had to adjust, and then I've been playing hell to get the camera arm to stay level and try to film with it, so but we got a little bit more time, so let's see what happens. It's about dark. There may be about 5 or 10 minutes left. And, there may be about 5 or 10 minutes left. It's about dark. Cameron is having trouble finding that blood trail that he shot earlier. So I'm gonna get down about 5 minutes earlier or so and see if we can't go and meet up with him. I don't know how much I'm gonna film it. It being dark and everything, and it being kind of hot. We just want to get to it fast as we can. So I don't know exactly how much I'm going to film, but that probably concludes our first hunt, little evening sit. I saw those 2 deer back behind me, and a hen with a bunch of poults out in front of me in this graveyard that I'm hunting. So, but I think tomorrow morning we're taking our buddy Austin with his crossbow, and I think we're gonna sit behind the house. And then I think afternoon tomorrow we're gonna go do some public land, so that'd be fun. We got a little spot we scouted out a while back, so thank you guys for watching.